Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cleaning the area thoroughly and reducing irritation. Wash twice daily with gentle soap and lukewarm water. Pat dry. Once clean, exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week using a soft scrub or a 0.5% AHA wipe to lift dead skin and reduce pigmentation. Stop shaving for a few days to avoid microtears. Instead, trim hair with scissors. This lowers inflammation and allows topical treatments to penetrate better, which is why you begin here, before applying any brightening product. Now focus on active agents that fade darkening. Each night, apply a thin layer of 2% niacinamide or 2% hydroquinone. These reduce melanin production and calm pigmentation. If tolerated, use 1% retinol on alternate nights to speed cell turnover, but layer it thinly to avoid burning. During this phase, switch to breathable cotton clothing and avoid antiperspirants with alcohol or strong fragrances because they perpetuate irritation. Make sure to finish by transitioning to maintenance and protecting gains. When your armpits are exposed, use SPF to prevent rebound darkening. Otherwise, keep up gentle cleansing and light exfoliation weekly. Maintain active treatments for 6 to 12 weeks, then taper frequency to avoid overdrying while preserving results. If pigmentation persists despite consistent care, make an appointment with a dermatologist because prescription strength creams or targeted laser therapies may be needed. If irritation, swelling, or worsening occurs, stop treatments and seek professional advice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.